Meet your new employee. Not them, that one. Don't worry, you can call him Rob. His goal is to increase your capacity at a lower cost. Rob doesn't mind the cold conditions. He doesn't take breaks or slow down as the day drags on. He always shows up, so no weekend shifts to make up for lost time. Won't quit, so doesn't need training over and over. And as far as we can tell, he likes palletizing ice so much, he does it perfectly every time. Over an 8-hour shift, Rob can stack 96 pallets. If Rob seems too good to be true, just wait. Let's talk numbers and key features for a minute. You don't have to use up all of your money to buy a robotic palletizing cell. MMCI will lease you one. Industrial robots are built for durability and longevity. We have cells that have been in service for over 20 years. Plus, you don't ever have to throttle back your equipment. Everything can now run at optimum with no bottlenecking. No more hours of downtime switching from 7 to 10 or 20-pound bags. It can all be done in about 10 minutes. Swap the head and choose the size on the control module. Then, walk away. Rob is also maintenance-friendly. With MMCI's remote access, most issues are solved over the Ethernet. Learn more from the humans over at MMCI.